Hello, I'm Aelita Andre. I'm an abstract interactive sound painter and I've been painting since I was 9 months old. Some of my milestone achievements are: my artwork was selected for an exhibition when I was 22 months old. When I was just 4 years old, I had my first solo show in New York, which was a sellout show. At the age of 6, I came up with the concept of merging sound and visual arts together while I was painting for a charity concert in front of 20,000 people. I'm really thankful that I had the opportunity to stage a solo exhibition in the Royal Academy of Fine Arts Museum in Russia at the age of 9. Thank you so much for recognising me as a child art prodigy out of thousands of children all around the world, and I'm really excited to receive my Global Child Prodigy Award. Global Child Prodigy Awards is the first Child Prodigy Awards initiative that recognises 100 child prodigies all around the world. Thank you to the award committee for recognising my efforts over the last 12 years.